First, properly clean your installation surface using a mild cleaner, removing all dirt and debris. This step is critically important. Failure to clean your surface will likely result in your decal prematurely peeling or cracking. It is recommended that you wipe your entire installation surface with alcohol to remove any remaining oil residue before installing. Next, carefully begin peeling back the transfer layer from the silicone-lined paper backing. While doing so, be sure that the vinyl is fully attached to the transfer layer. If any parts of the vinyl are remaining attached to the paper layer, stop peeling and place the entire decal on a flat surface and rub over the entire thing with a credit card using medium pressure. Again, begin peeling the transfer layer from the paper layer, repeating the previous step until 100% of the vinyl is attached to the clear layer. Using two hands, hold each side of the transfer layer and position your decal a few inches away from your target installation location. Slowly apply the entire thing to your surface from the center out until it is completely attached. Using a credit card, carefully apply medium pressure over the entire transfer layer. This step activates the adhesive. If there are air bubbles, gently push those from the center out. Finally, start at one corner and begin peeling away the transfer layer. While doing so, be sure that 100% of the vinyl adheres to your surface. If pieces do not remain on your surface, lay that part down again and apply pressure in that specific area. Continue peeling away the clear layer until it is completely removed from your surface. All that should remain is your vinyl decal. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your vinyl decal. Please review our cleaning and care instructions on our website so that it remains beautiful for as long as possible.